Most businesses don't have a branding problem. They have an other problem. They start with what looks good instead of starting with what makes sense. And that small mistake becomes an expensive one. In this video, I'll show you the real order of branding and why most people get it backwards. If I redesign your logo today, nothing inside your business changes. Your team still thinks the same, your message stays the same, even your offer still sounds the same. But if I clarify your positioning today, everything changes. Your marketing becomes sharper, your confidence improves, even your sales conversations get easier. Same business, different order. That's the difference between identity and strategy. Here is how most people approach branding. Step 1, logo. Step 2, colors. And step 3, fonts. Then somewhere later they start asking, wait, what exactly are we trying to say? That's backwards. It's like decorating a house before even drawing the blueprint. You might end up repainting walls that shouldn't even exist in the first place. A father once told me, we need a fresh look. Our brand feels weak. So I asked one simple question. What do you want to be known for? Silence. That silence told me everything. The logo wasn't weak, the thinking was. We didn't even touch the design for weeks. We clarified who they were for. We defined what made them different. We simplified their message. When we finally worked on the identity, it reinforced their messaging because clarity came first. Here is the real order of branding. First is positioning. Who are you for? What problem do you solve? Why should someone choose you? And then second, messaging. How do you explain that clearly? What language do you use? What do you repeat to your audience consistently? Then the third one is identity. What does that clarity look like visually? How does it feel? Positioning, then messaging, and then identity, not the other way around. Identity without strategy is like decoration. And strategy without identity is invisible. You need both, but in sequence. When the order is wrong, branding feels heavy. You keep redesigning, you keep tweaking, you keep changing fonts. When the order is right, branding feels calm. Clear decisions, strong direction, less second guessing. Why do people start backwards? Because visuals are exciting. They feel productive. They have visible progress. Strategy feels slower. It requires thinking, requires clarity, asking yourself some hard questions, but the invisible work creates the visible strength. If your positioning is weak, no logo can rescue it, but if your positioning is strong, even simple visuals will work. Dear business owner, branding is not a design project. It is a design process. The order matters more than the aesthetics. Define first, then express second. That is the real order. If you are planning a rebrand, pause before you open a design file. Ask yourself, are we clear on who we are and who we are for? If not, that's where the real work begins. Do well to share this video to someone you know that might need this. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more honest conversations about branding. I'll see you in the next video.